Hey guys, it's Miss Hall. Back to you for my second parody. This was a challenge from my students, and while they loved the polka and some of them still sing it, they asked if I would do one to Frozen. Now, they were not specific, so I chose Into the Unknown because it's Elsa, and she's amazing. So, it's another rough cut and it's kind of silly, but this is a way for me and my class to show some love. So without further ado, this is for you guys. Challenge me again and I'll try to write another one. If you like it, tell me about it. If you have one or an idea, put it in the comments below. So here we go. This one is called Back to the Classroom. I can see you, but I want to be with you while others don't. You're driving your parents crazy, they're stressed out, and your smiles bring me joy, which I wish would really stay. Oh, whoa. You're not alone. Your teacher's here to bring you cheer, and if I could hug you, but I won't, social distancing is here. Every student I've ever loved is stuck out of my class. I'm sorry, COVID-19, but it's time for you to pass. I have had enough time away. We've got a lot to do. We are done social distancing. We're through with you. Back to the classroom. Back to the classroom. Back to the classroom. The time you take has been keeping us awake. Disappear, don't distract us. We don't have room for mistakes. Or you could get out of here so we could get back to school. We know deep down distance learning's not the way. Every day's a little harder as we feel the distance grow. Don't you know there's a part of me that longs to go back to the classroom, back to the classroom, back to the classroom. Oh, kids, are you out there? Can you hear me? Can you see me on the screen? Oh, oh, when are we going to not be alone? How will we get back to our classroom? Bye guys, I hope you like it. If you like it, please like it below. Share it. If you don't, then don't. But I hope you are having a fantastic day. And remember to always be kind.